In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix blurry images in Wix 2026 guide. If your images are looking soft or pixelated on your Wix site, it usually comes down to two things: automatic compression or a low original resolution. The good news is Wix gives you two reliable ways to sharpen things up. First, you can enhance an individual image directly in the editor. Second, you can fine-tune the quality of images inside galleries for a crisper overall look. Let's start with a single image that looks blurry. Open your site in the Wix editor and click the image you want to improve. In the toolbar, choose Edit Image, which you'll find next to the Change Image option. Inside the editor, head to the Crop and Extend menu. If your image can be improved, you'll see an Upscale Image option. Click it and let Wix enhance the clarity. You'll notice edges and details become more defined without you having to adjust anything complicated. If the Upscale button isn't available, it usually means the image is already at an optimal size or it's too small to upscale effectively. Either way, review the preview carefully, make sure you're happy with the result, and then click Save. Avoid stretching the image larger than its container afterward, as that can bring back blur. Now, let's talk about galleries. By default, Wix reduces gallery image quality to around 75% to help pages load quickly. That's great for speed, but it can make photos look a bit fuzzy. To adjust this, click your gallery and open the Settings icon. In the Settings panel, go to the Advanced section. Scroll until you find the Image Quality slider. Move the slider up for a sharper look. You can take it all the way to 100 for maximum clarity. Keep in mind, higher quality means larger files, which can slow your page down, especially on mobile or slower connections. A value around 90 is a strong balance between crispness and performance for most sites. After adjusting, preview your page to confirm the images look sharp without noticeably affecting load time. A couple of quick reminders as you wrap up. Always start with the best original image you have. If the source is tiny, no setting will make it truly sharp. Use the Upscale tool for individual problem images and rely on the Gallery Quality slider for collections. Finally, give everything a quick preview before going live to make sure your visuals look professional across devices. That's it. With these adjustments, your Wix images should look clean, crisp, and ready to impress. Thanks for watching.